8 hours, 54 minutes, 28 seconds. This special lifetime offer to GrooveFunnels for a one-time price of $13.97 is coming off the table. According to this page, Mike Filsame is claiming that the upgrade to the lifetime platinum one-time payment option is coming off the table, meaning it is not going to be available when the countdown timer hits 0 on this page, and the platinum monthly will be $299 a month. Currently, this is what the Groove packages look like for the free and the lifetime GroovePages. You get 3 websites on the free plan, as well as 3 custom domains, 1 share funnel, 1 receive share funnel, and the ability to import 15 pages. Of course, with the lifetime option, you are unlimited. So when you're inside your GrooveFunnels dashboard, of course, if you don't have a free account already, link in the description, and you go to GroovePages, you'll notice that I have 1, 2, 3 free sites, and you can see here I have the option to create more. If I upgrade the Pro to unlock limited sites and funnels, that is what they're referring to when they say 3 free sites. Of course, when you're inside of your site, you have unlimited pages and the ability to create funnels. The share site options are here under share site, and the ability to share out links to your pages and your funnels that they've mentioned right here, where you can share funnels, receive shared funnels, and import pages. GrooveSell, products unlimited on both free and lifetime plans. Customers, leads and affiliates, all unlimited. Emails to customers, transactional only on the free plan, unlimited on the paid lifetime plan. Email cart abandoned, single send versus unlimited. Emails to affiliates, unlimited, as well as unlimited for Groove Affiliate, which is the affiliate side of GrooveSell. Groove Video, the free plan, give you 15 videos, unlimited of course, in a lifetime plan. Encoding, you'll need to have your own encoder or use the free options that are available inside of Groove Video. Of course, the one-time lifetime is free storage of 100 gigabytes for the lifetime of your account, as well as 100 gigabytes of bandwidth per month. Upload limit 5 gigabytes per video, which is the same on both the free and the unlimited. Back inside of GrooveFunnels dashboard, go to Groove Video, and inside your Groove Video dashboard, under Library, you'll see here that I currently have 3 videos, and I have the ability to add 12 more videos, but to unlock unlimited, I would need to upgrade to Pro. To add a new video, you can see here I have the ability to select the file from my computer, YouTube, or a linked URL. And of course, there's an upgrade to Pro button for the free storage and the free encoding. So to do this, you go ahead, you select the file. Once the file is uploaded, you can give it a name, a description. You can change primary colors right here by selecting the color palette and just dragging this to change it to whatever you like. Secondary colors as well. Here you can select the thumbnail, watermark position. Also have the ability to select an end action to just ending or loop the video from the beginning. Then moving on to next, where you can set video size, either fixed or responsive. You can set the controls as well. Moving on to the video elements, you have the ability to set opt-in banner text overlays and text overlays with CTA or a call to action. And it's just that easy to upload the file. And again, you can see that I have 11 more before I need to upgrade to Pro. Storage settings are Amazon S3, right here via the S3 integration, or the video encoder settings, which they have 2 options, coconut.co or encoding.com. Again, in a lifetime paid account, encoding is free. Storage, you get 100 gigabytes per life, bandwidth, 100 gigabytes per month, and your upload limit is 5 gigabytes per video. There's an option called the Capacity Booster Pack that's going to be $100 a month for additional video storage as well as bandwidth. If you are what is considered a power user on the platform, you'll need to upgrade these even with your paid lifetime account. Groove Member, free account, 1 membership, limited to 100 members, unlimited in the paid lifetime account. Back inside your GrooveFunnels dashboard under Groove Member, you can see the options here to create members under Content, Memberships, and you have the ability to create a new membership by walking through the design panel here, setting your instructor options to either instructor, no instructor, or creating a new instructor. Also, you have the ability to customize with logo, feature image, favicon, show a progress bar. Then you move into the actual builder, When you click and open the builder, you have the ability to add different elements right here, just like in the GroovePages page builder. Simply save and exit once you've modified it or customize it the way that you like. Here's where you can configure your different membership access levels. Of course, you can edit those or add more as you see fit. Send a welcome email, don't send a welcome email, coming soon, send a customized welcome email. We'll go ahead and leave that to the default. Congratulations, your membership portal has been created. Back to memberships. And you can see that your new membership has been created. Of course, if you want to create another one, that's a premium feature only available to Pro. Currently, the lifetime access is what we're talking about. And of course, the limited time offer, the countdown is at 8 hours, 34 minutes, and 29 seconds. GrooveMail will have 500 versus 10,000 contacts in the unlimited paid plan, with email sends of 5,000 per month in the free plan, and you do not have the ability to import contacts in the free plan, but you do in the paid plan. GrooveCart stores, online credit card rates, 4.95% plus 30 cents versus 2.85% plus 25 cents, as well as third-party payment processors, 2% versus 0% that will be charged to you for transactions. GrooveBlog, one blog with unlimited post and one custom domain, of course unlimited in the paid platinum lifetime plan. Back inside the dashboard, you do have the quick links here to go to GrooveBlog as well as the apps right here. To select the GrooveBlog dashboard where you can see my 30minutemarketing.net blog. And if I wanted to create more blogs inside of my free account, I would need to upgrade to Pro. To open that blog, simply click on Open Blog. And you can see all the categories here: posts, categories, themes, navigation, settings. Here you can see that you have the ability to publish your blog, write your posts that are laid out here, create categories. Currently, these are the themes they have. The GrooveBlog Classic is the only one inside the free account. Go back to Publish. If you select Publish, it will publish your blog right there according to your settings that you have here under domains. And of course, that brings us to the question: is the GrooveFunnels lifetime limited offer that's currently counting down right now worth it? I backed the project in May of 2019 when it was GroovePages 2.0 simply because I wanted a page builder, and since that time I have used the page builder and not had to mess around with creating a WordPress site when I needed a quick page for a bonus page, for a sales page, and it has served me quite well. And I haven't really had any issues whatsoever, other than the few bumps along the way inside of the beta program, which is simply them trying to make the product better as they get feedback. So it's just something you have to deal with when you join a beta program, which this is still currently in beta, and is exactly why this is such a crazy deal, because they are still in beta, and that's why they're offering this lifetime offer. So you can see they're still fully open about the fact that it's beta, it's still in production, and it's still being worked on. But again, that's the reason you're getting the one-time payment option that currently has a timer that's counting down that is going to go away. So there's a link in the description for a free account. I highly suggest you at a minimum grab that free account, give it a test drive, see if you think it's worth the one-time investment based upon what you currently see, based upon what you hear and see in the Facebook group, as well as the other tools that Mike Filsame has been involved in, such as Webinar Jam and Kartra. Whether you've heard of those or not, those are some of the things that he's done in the past. Good, bad, or indifferent. Make up your own mind. I just wanted to share with you what I have, what I see, and what I think about the program and using GroovePages, like I said, exclusively for sales pages and bonus pages in parts of my business where it makes sense. Link in the description. Grab your free account. Play around. Let me know in the comments what you think. If this video is helpful, give it a thumbs up. 30-minute timer right here. Click that timer. Subscribe to the channel for more awesome videos, just like the ones that are on the screen right now. Click those. Check them out, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.